to another wonders of Windows. Today I'll be talking about the Windows calculator. Windows calculator has evolved over the years from Windows XP to Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, and Windows 10 to Windows 11. And now talking about Windows 10, you can really see how, if you look at, you can really see how it has evolved. When Windows has changed all their operating systems to make it much more, would I say, modern. So without further ado, let's get into it. To get Windows calculator, all you have to do is tap the start key on your keyboard, and then you should see calculator right here under the C column or the apps. To look for it, you can just type any letter and then press C, and you see calculator right here. So I already have calculator here, and you can see I've done some calculations already. 24 okay, yeah. And then can go to scientific to give you much more functions. For example, pi. Yeah, there's also permutations, factorials, logarithms, yeah, raised powers. You get all that. You also get the chance of trigonometry and functions as well. The programmer for you to be able to change programs into so if I wanted to change, I'm in decimal right now. Let me just write the number 12, and then you can see it has changed it to hexadecimal, octahedral, and binary. ATS is really cool. And if you also check this, you can see that it has increased. And this, what is exactly means is that in binary, okay, in binary it is grouped in intervals of 4s, so you can say 4, 8, 12 to 16. So if I just keep typing letter, you can see that it increases as I go. This is really cool. Okay, there's also this calculation to check the difference between dates, to add or subtract dates. Okay, so probably from the 9th to here is about 3 weeks and 1 day. From the 9th of July to 31st of July, which it is being filmed currently, is about 22 days and 3 weeks 1 day. So yeah, now let's go to the much more interesting part of the Windows calculator, the converters. So if I go to currency, I can use to convert a currency to another one, which means that you don't really have to go to a web browser and then type and then look for something like convert your currency to another one. So let's see, if I wanted to, I live in Nigeria, so I'm going to put it in naira, and this is the United States rate exchange, the $1 to rate, Nigerian naira rate right here. So if I press about probably like $1, obviously 780. I press probably like $100, obviously 70,000 naira, which yeah is really cool. And if I wanted to something like probably a cent, or okay, let me just try something. A cent is about 7 naira and 80 kobo. Yeah, so that is that. Also for volume, for milliliters, also change it to teaspoons, tablespoons, fluid ounces, and then yeah, But you can also see that the varies depending on the country. So it's either US or the United Kingdom. So if you're from milliliters, I can go to 12. And one interesting part about the Windows calculator is that it converts it to a tablespoon in US, a tablespoon in UK, tablespoon, a teaspoon in UK, 12 volumes, and an interesting part, 0.05 coffee cups. I don't really know why this is here, but it's fun anyway. It's interesting to think about that. So just increase it. You see that it also changes to swimming pools. If I move that, bathtubs, you can see that's really fun and interesting. You can also go to length, centimeters to meters, centimeters to inches. Yeah, so let's go to meters. Let's say 30 centimeters, 0.3, and this is 1.61 hands. Let's increase that. Jumbo jets, let's increase that. Yeah, so it's really fun. You see, I also go to weight and mass. Those changes from 25 kilometers, 22 kilograms to 48.5 pounds, and this thing is soccer balls, and elephants, then whales. Wow, this is really cool. Yeah, really cool. And then temperature, so I can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and let's go to Kelvins. That's for fun. Yeah, from 2 Celsius, 32 Celsius degrees to about 295.15 Kelvin, and up to 71.6 Fahrenheit. So energy as well. Also change from joules, decimal calories, which is thermal units. Electron volts. So let's do something fun. Electron volts. Let's go to 12. And see how it reduces. Really nice. Area in square meters. I just press this one number. It's from 5 points. From 580.02 sheet of paper. I increase that. It's a bit more. 0.03 soccer fields, and then from 0.36 cassettes. I can just increase in that. It's here. That's cool as well. I think the speed, kilometers per hour to miles per hour. I say like 24 kilometers per hour. That's about equals to 0.03 horses. And jets. I don't really see the use of this. Probably if you wanted to see more, like just more, yeah, you should be able to. If I go to the final one, time, I can change from hours to minutes. Yeah, I think this is really fun. Let me just go to years, and then for microseconds, just for fun. This is like compare the lowest and the highest. Hold on, just press remember. And you can see that's about 14.46 years. Approximate that about 15 years. What equals to 754.9 weeks, 5,284 days, and so on and so forth. You're also able to get the settings, and yeah, this art theme, and yeah. So yeah, that's it. This calculator. I even this power from kilowatts. So you can see how Windows really wanted you to be able to use the power of Windows calculator. I'm sure most of you didn't even realize that you could do it here. So okay, from gigabytes to megabytes, so 17.74 gigabytes, about, yeah. can see it all here, and it's also about to 3.52 DVDs. I increase that. So yeah, that's cool as well. From pressure, atmospheres to bars, Pascals, yeah. They really wanted this to be like your everyday converting machine, and I think they actually achieved that. The problem is that people, I don't think people really know about this. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to use the Windows calculator to convert and calculate data, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you there.